The rate stretch tool allows us to change the duration of a clip by speeding it up or slowing it down. The important thing is that it keeps the clip's start and end in the same place. Only the speed of the clip changes to match that duration. To activate the rate stretch tool, click on this icon and choose the rate stretch tool, or press the shortcut R to enable it. First, let's play the clip.
Alright, let's gently open the hive and take a look inside. The first thing we check is how active the bees are today. Healthy bees move calmly and stay focused on their...
Now we want to speed up the duration of this clip. Now press R key, then go to either the start or end of the clip and drag to reduce the duration. Now play the clip again.
Alright, let's gently open the hive and take a look inside. The first thing we check is how active the bees are today. Healthy bees move calmly and stay focused on their...
You can see the video speeds up and the audio speeds up with it. These days, this method is used a lot for making reels, shorts, TikTok edits, or fast-paced videos. Now let's slow it down. To slow the clip, just drag outward to increase the clip duration. Now play it again.
Alright, let's gently open the hive and take a look inside. The first thing
You'll notice the video slows down and the voice slows down as well. Let's Control or Command Z to undo the action. If you want to speed up only the video without changing the audio pitch, first turn off linked selection and select just the video track. Now you can rate stretch only the video portion. Play it back.
Alright, let's gently open the hive and take a look inside.
Now only the video is sped up. While the audio remains normal, you can do the same with audio. If you need to adjust sound timing, simply select the audio and apply rate stretch to speed it up or slow it down as needed. Now play it back.
Alright, let's gently open the hive and take a look inside. The first thing we check is how active the bees are today. Healthy bees move calmly and...
One important thing to understand is that the rate stretch tool changes the playback speed, not the content. It doesn't remove frames. It simply plays the existing frames faster or slower to fit the new duration. Also, keep in mind, if you stretch too much, slow motion may look choppy. If you compress too much, fast motion may look unnatural. Audio speed changes may also affect pitch and intelligibility. Let me show you one more example. Now we have sunset video. First, let's play the video. And you can see video take too much time in sunset. So let's speed up only video. Now play again. Let's more speed up. And play again. And more. Now perfect. So, the rate stretch tool adjusts a clip's duration by changing its speed so it fits exactly into a defined space. It's extremely powerful for matching visuals to narration, music, and storytelling timing, especially in documentary and YouTube workflows.